Welcome back to Automotive 101, and as we said in our short form video, we're going to cover the best tools, and the kicker here is under $200 if you're looking to get into the game, start working on your car yourself, start doing stuff. But before we go through this, I don't care if it's Snap-on or Mac. We're talking about the beginner here, guys. Somebody that doesn't have any tools or they don't know what to get, and the stuff we've got here actually has a lifetime warranty on it. Okay, that being said, one of the most common first things is changing a flat tire, changing a rim. And if you've got a factory car, you know that the little bottle jack, the little scissor jack, and you got to crank and crank, it can be a real pain. What we've got here on the left, guys, is a combo kit. So you don't have to carry the jack stands in your car, but we've got a combo kit with a floor jack and 2 jack stands, so you can jack your car. It makes things a lot easier. Once you get it up in the air, you can make it safe. You can put it on the jack stand so it won't fall on you or if the jack suddenly falls. Great value. We got this kit at O'Reilly Auto Parts for under $90. The next thing up is get yourself a good four-way, good solid four-way. It comes with 4 different sizes, so you can fit just about any vehicle on the market. And same thing like with the floor jacks, with the factory jacks that come with the cars. If you got those little bitty things that they include, sometimes they can be a pain. A good heavy duty 4-way will save you time and effort. And most of this stuff, the floor jack is so small, this is small enough you can fit it in your trunk. Now, the next common thing, and believe it or not, we got this little kit here for under 25 bucks. So what do we have here? The first thing is we have a pan, we have a funnel. You need the pan because you need a safe place to dump your oil, right? You don't want it going all over your driveway. You don't want it going all in your yard. So if you're going to change your oil, you can drain the oil into this pan, put it in a bucket, put it in, safely transport it back to a place like O'Reilly Auto Parts to safely dispose of it. The next thing, once you get everything buttoned back up, you will funnel. How many times have you tried to put oil in your vehicle and you spill oil everywhere? The funnel makes it easier because you can put it into the valve cover, into the oil fill hole, and dump the oil in without dumping oil everywhere. The next thing we've got, sometimes you can get them with your hands, sometimes they're a problem, is an oil filter wrench or oil filter pliers. And what this does is this gives you the opportunity to grab onto the oil filter to put some extra leverage, so just in case if Jiffy Lube or Walmart ugga-dugga the thing to heaven and back and you can't get it off, this will help you out. Now, the next thing up, this was $5, everybody. This is just a simple screwdriver. It comes with both a flathead and a Phillips side. This will help you if you need to take out common little screws or whatnot on your vehicle or tighten up clamps. The next thing, very economical, is a basic socket set. You've got millimeter and SAE on both sides of all the common sizes, plus a ratchet. This will help you if you're trying to loosen up bolts or nuts or anything around your car and do basic maintenance. You can later expand on this, add a spark plug socket, add extensions to increase its capability. And finally, we have a basic crescent wrench and 2 basic sets of pliers. The smaller set of pliers can be used on various items if you need to kind of pinch something closed or if you need to take something off or even tighten or loosen something. The channel locks had various uses, same as the smaller set of pliers, but the channel locks can actually expand the jaw out. So if you need to grab some of these new modern type hose clamps and kind of pinch them close so you can take the hose off or things like that, this helps you out greatly. And finally, a basic old school crescent wrench. And what does this do? Well, this is much like the socket set, but in manual form. You can adjust on the wheel right here the size from fairly small, as you can see, out to probably about a 5/8, give or take, maybe a little bit larger nut or bolt. And then you can use the wrench if you can get it in there, and you can spin it off and do the basic maintenance you need. This entire set, everybody, is under $200 for everything. And One more final shout out. O'Reilly Auto Parts offers a veteran military discount that even decreased this cost even further. I am a U.S. Marine Corps veteran, so I did ask for the discount. And so we actually got this entire set for $160. Finally, we'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, Pure Essential Beauty LLC, for providing the funds to make this video possible.